This is the pink stuff. If you have not heard of this before, this is going to change your life, I promise you, for all of your abrasive cleaning needs. So I will, for example, clean my shower, clean my sinks, even some stains on my bench tops, etc. This is the stuff for you. It's basically like a paste, a little pink paste, and I actually really love this smell. It smells incredible. It's called the Miracle Cleaning Paste and can be used throughout the home and beyond. Its multi-purpose cleaning power is tough on ovens, cooktops, saucepans, sinks, PVC, barbecues, tiles, glass, showers, garden furniture, rust, paintwork, boats, and brass. It says the list is endless. It actually says that on here. This is a great tub of this. This is the 850 gram tub, so 30 ounce tub. I use this thing, as you can see, I use it a lot in here. This is almost a brand new tub of this. But yeah, really great for cleaning your sinks, showers, bathrooms, just because it will really get off those hard stains. This stuff is so good. I can highly, highly, highly recommend it. Go and get yourself some.